Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video I'm going to show you how Snapchat streak works on Snapchat. First of all, let me start off by explaining to you what streak means. A streak on a Snapchat is when two people snap each other for 3 or more consecutive days on Snapchat. The more snaps are sent to each other, the longer the streak will become. For example, if you and your friend were to snap each other for 10 days, there will be fire emoji with the number 10 beside it. The number indicates how many days your streak is. In order to start a streak, tap open the Snapchat application and sign into your account. In order to start the streak, you need to ask for it first. Otherwise, the contact won't know whether you want to start it or not. Here are some ways to ask someone for a streak. First, you can send a message asking for it. For example, so here I'm in the chat. Then, type in, do you want to start a streak? And send it to your contact. You can only send it to the contact you already are friends on Snapchat. Another way you can start streak is to add a story with the text streak. So take any picture you would like and then place it on your story wherever you want to do it. And once you're done, tap on send or post it into your story. Just type want to start a streak. Then you can add it to your story. If anyone want to do a streak with you, then they can respond directly to your story. If they don't, there is no need for them to respond to it, as they can ignore your story. If someone agrees to find someone that wants to speak with you, then you'll need to send them a snap, or you can also send them a video snap. Simply open Snapchat and tap on camera icon and take a photo or video. And once you're done, tap send at the bottom. Right now, select the person you want to send a snap to. Then once you select that person, tap on send bet button. When the snap is sent, you'll receive delivered stages in the conversation page. Now, all you need to do is wait for them to snap back to you. And with this, you'll be able to start a streak with someone. Remember that you'll need to send each other a photo or video snap for 3 consecutive days. That is how streak works on Snapchat. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, can leave it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!